Hi, thank you for taking time to watch this video. We're going to talk about how to do a safe no contact service. We'll talk about 4 different subjects. 1, how to safely check in your vehicle with no contact. 2, how can you as a customer protect yourself from unapproved repairs. We will talk about how you can safely pay your invoice online. 4, we'll talk about how you can safely pick up your vehicle with no contacts. So if you feel more comfortable giving us a call over the phone and checking in, that's fine too. Just go to centricauto.com. When you see the page, it'll look like this. We'll scroll down in the middle. Oh, you'll see a Google guarantee. You can click there for more information. Basically, if you have any issues, Google will give you your money back. So let's scroll down the middle. Social distance pre-check-in form. Let's fill this out. First item is complimentary item. You can get a free Uber ride, car rental, or maybe you made your own arrangements. Choose one. The next item is going to pick the date. You can pick the same date. You can drop off the same day. Then we're going to work on time, what time you want to drop it off. You can be after hours drop box, and you can pick a time, 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 4 to 5 p.m. Next is fill out your information, phone number, license plate is very important. We are a dealer alternative, so we're connected to DMV, and we're able to pull up your VIN number and information on the vehicle. Let's choose a service, maybe check engine light or an oil change. Let's choose other, and then we'll write in the comments what our issue is. We have a loss of power. Submit. Okay, so you've checked in online or gave us a call to check the vehicle in. Now it's time to drop off your keys, and here's the next step. So within 5 minutes of dropping off your car, you're gonna get a text from us. Click the link. The link is basically gonna be the check-in invoice. Go ahead, review it. The pricing will be there for the inspection. Also, you do want to check that we are on the same page. Look for the notes. No power coming to a stop. Make sure we're looking for the same thing. Total estimates right there. From there, you're just basically going to respond to the text message, approved. On our computer, we will see the approval. So at this point, we are just inspecting. There's no repairs. We're not getting into fixing the car. We're just looking for what the issue is. After we find the issue, for example, let's say this customer needed a starter. What we'll do is we'll actually give you a call, or we might even text you and let you know, hey, you need a starter. The parts and labor is going to cost $200. From there, if you say, I'm not interested in repairing, we stop where we're at, put the car back together, and we'll deliver the car back to you. Now, if you approve the work over the phone and you said, yes, go ahead, Victor, fix the car, we'll do this whole process again. We'll actually text you the invoice, put the updated information in there, and you'll just reply approve. So that's pretty simple. We're all on the same page, what we're replacing and what the cost is. Next step is we're gonna show you how to pay online. Is online payment safe? When you send a payment, the recipient won't receive sensitive information like your credit card or your bank account number. This way you don't have to worry about paying people you don't know. So we'll send you a text and or an email for payment. The text message will look something like this: review invoice and pay online. Click on that link, then they'll send you to this. This is your actual invoice. Let's review the invoice before we push the pay button. Check your information, your name, address, phone number, correct. Your left-hand side is going to be your actual parts. So we got oil and oil filter here. The right-hand side is going to be your labor. We'll scroll down to the bottom, and that is going to be your totals with tax. From there, once you feel comfortable with the invoice, you will press the pay button. From right here, you'll fill out all your personal information, which is your address, city, state, your email. Click on the black button that says edit payment. You'll punch in your credit card information. This is all secured online. sign and press send. Okay, so let's review real quick our no contact procedure. So we know no contact check-in, no contact approvals, no contact service, no contact online pay, and no contact pickup.